Hey guys, it's Amber, and I just wanted to share with you one of my favorite travel tips for dealing with ephemera. So whenever I travel, I take generally a full size cardboard envelope like this. Like this is one I just recently got in the mail, so I just, even if it doesn't fully close, I still take this. This is one from Allie Edwards from the Craft Stories products, but I've also used like Shutterfly envelopes or just whatever I happen to have on hand. So I'm gonna set that aside for a moment. And just showing you the kinds of things that I keep in here. So I've got a gift bag. I originally thought that this might be like a 9x12 or a 12x12 album, but it's probably gonna be a 6x8. This would be perfect to cut out and use as a patterned paper for a 6x8 album. So I kept that. I've got luggage tickets here. I have, this was paperwork from our hotel that the room keys were in. So this would be awesome to either use as like a title page. I could either keep it as a pocket, or I could cut that off, and use it as just a page, like a piece of paper. Receipt from the airport for some bracelets I bought. These were, just trying to cover up some personal details here, sorry. These were a notepad in the hotel. I figured it wasn't quite 3x4. It's like 2 3/4 by 4 1/4, but it could be used as like a 3x4 type journaling page, or I could, use a circle punch and punch this out and add it to something. So I took a few sheets of that. I've got some paper coasters here that are the same kind of thought process. I could use this, think of it as like a 3-inch embellishment that has the name of the resort on it. So I took a few of those. I've got airplane tickets, bag tags. Let's see. This was information about our COVID test, and that's what these are here. These are sheets of our COVID test information. That's my password info, sorry. So just, something different that we don't normally have to do when we're traveling. We went on a rafting trip, so I have a ticket from that. More bag tag stuff from the hotel. More plane ticket stuff. Normally I don't keep bag tags, but we flew priority, like business class, the first class, the way down there. So I thought these were kind of neat. Maybe I could do something with that. And then just our checkout information from the hotel. It's an envelope that like all the information was in, but I thought maybe I could slide that into a pocket or punch it and do something with that. I also have a room key somewhere I need to find. But what I like to do with these when I'm done, when I'm home, is I bought this set of bags. The mesh material is similar to a Studio Calico bag, if you've ever gotten their larger kits. The ones that I bought are 13 inches wide by about 9.5 inches tall. They're probably listed as a 10, all the way up to the zipper. And I just take all the stuff that, I wanted to keep from the trip, stuff it inside there, so that it is ready to go and all in one place. Get myself organized here. And then, so these, I just wanted to show you what I do. They come with this card here, but I don't want to, use that up since they reuse these over and over with every trip. So I just cut a piece of scrap paper. And I seem to have misplaced my pen here, but I will Jamaica, June, July 2021. And then everything is saved together until I can get it scrapped right off my desk. But yeah, I have hotel room key, like just one of the little plastic ones, saved somewhere. And so now it's good to go. I keep these all organized together until I am ready to actually scrap the trip. I'll also stick photos in there if I have anything printed. And then once I actually do get to that point, I will organize the ephemera with the photos in order. I generally tend to scrapbook chronologically. So once I start sharing more videos on my album process, I will post them here on my Instagram and my YouTube channel, and hopefully we'll give you some ideas. Thanks so much. Bye.